I'm going to share a tactic with you that may be really, really bizarre about looking for jobs on LinkedIn. Everybody else, they're doing exactly the same thing. And it looks like just a bunch of daggone ducks walking in line. You all look the same. You act the same. You use the same words. You're using the same tactics. You don't want to be that person. Let me repeat. You do not want to be like every other person using LinkedIn to get a job. You want to do it differently. You want to show up differently. Now, there's a whole lot of things I could share with you. Build the right LinkedIn profile. Build the right LinkedIn network. Engage with the right content. Engage on companies that are relevant to you. And there's a whole lot associated with LinkedIn that you can get value from. But I want to focus on one very specific piece. I want to focus on the job. If you are on LinkedIn and you are spending time searching for jobs on LinkedIn, I want to give you a tactic that can be way better, put you in front of the line for the right jobs if you do it right. So if I'm looking for a job and if I want to be a project manager, and I look for project manager, this is what everybody else is doing, but everybody else is banging on that button. Drill in, get a little closer, go in and do filters, and you want to look for just jobs in North Carolina. Whatever you're looking for, you want to look for jobs that, maybe are remote or hybrid or whatever you're looking for. Do all of that search. Find the right jobs in the right companies, but do not hit the apply button. Do not click that reply button so fast. Slow down. Do a little bit more work. If it's the right job for you, it's not closing in minutes. You got time. Be more deliberate. Instead of clicking on that apply button, look at that job. Do you know somebody who works at ERM? Right click on ERM, open it in a new tab. Go look at it. See if you know anybody there. I got Allison. I know someone there, and I got 14 other alumni that work there. Do a little bit more research on the company. Do a little bit more research on who else is a principal consultant, a project manager at that company. Do a little more research so you can discover this. Discover the right person whom you could have a conversation with about, in this case, Turner Construction, about their supply chain work. Maybe someone you know knows the right person related to that job so that you can have a conversation. Everybody else is banging on that apply button as fast as they can. Everybody else is spending hours to rebuild their resume to be able to hand it to the black hole of an application, or what's it called, application tracking system, ATS. You want to be a little different. You want to be a little better. You want to be in front of the line. So instead of banging on the apply button, find somebody who knows somebody who could potentially get you into a conversation with the right person at that company, who may be able to pull you in to the right conversation about that job. Will it work every time? Not a chance. However, conversations are how you create success. Clicking on the apply button and dropping your resume in the applicant tracking system, you're at the mercy of the system that hopefully your resume looks and smells just right so you can move to the next level. And you can circumvent a lot of that by slowing down and looking for a conversation, again, with the right person who can introduce you to the right person to move you into a conversation about how you could fit into that company. Go for conversations. Don't go for rapid fire applications. It's not the best way to get the job for you. Good luck.